So this is our YouTube channel videos on our channel. So total channel, how to promote using LinkedIn option. So total YouTube channel, promote your using LinkedIn option. Here are three advantages. One is called increase your subscribers. Second will be generating for views. Third will be increase your YouTube earnings. Three will be dependent. The subscriber will be increased, views will be increased, increase your revenue also will be increased. First of all, copy the total channel URL. Select option called is anyimage.io. Before starting any image.io, first of all design your images. The image design will be two ratios: 1024 by 512, 1280 by 720. Select your download. You can using for JPG format. Click for download. Once download this option, it will go for download option here. Done. First of all, browse your image. Go for download button. Add your image. Just uploading for image will be, they will be resized for their format. Title, description, you can write in for by digital Rakesh. Your destination URL will be copy and post it. Before submitting for finish, check by your LinkedIn. Email will be how will display by the LinkedIn account. See this digital marketing video training tutorial 2019. Digital marketing video training tutorial. So I'm just accepting. Now click for finish. Once finish this option, you can share by where on your LinkedIn. LinkedIn will be sharing for total two pattern. One is called share your profile and share your individual profile friends. After that, copy link. Take the notepad first. Take the notepad first. Copy the title. Title will be, you can search by in your Google. Title. Next for copy the URL and each one you can fix by your hashtag. Here is the question: how many hashtag will be using by your LinkedIn option? Add your hashtags. So total your content will be displayed by this option. Now, so what do I want to discuss? Just copy this one. Now click for LinkedIn. This link will be expired only for 24 hours. The link will expire for the manual posting. Automated posting will be showing for your LinkedIn profile lifetime. But once post will be done, same posting link will be tomorrow. The link will be expired. The link will be showing only for up to 24 hours time. Now share post here. When you're sharing posting time, you have two advantages. One is called LinkedIn your total public plus Twitter and connections only. Now target by the anyone plus Twitter. Now click for post. The reaching by your total profile friends. Next one, LinkedIn. You can share by individual persons. Share by individual persons. The option call is here. Send a private message. Select your message and select your person here. So I'm adding. Click for send. So how to reach my company page and my groups? That is called. You can select your notepad, Control A and Control C. Select option call is LinkedIn. For your adding for any company page, you can go for manually. Go for by manually. Automatic share will be only accepted by your LinkedIn profile. So select your LinkedIn profile. Just option. Select your LinkedIn company page. So what are the link will be? You can copy by where? LinkedIn company page. How many company page you have? Just post the all company pages on your particular postings using for notepad option. Automatically increase your YouTube subscriber, video views, and your increase your YouTube earnings. Just post, click for this. So automatically they show your review the image. Just load the image here. See this. Image was will be missing and change your image will be here. Now click for post. So this is called promote your YouTube channel videos using for LinkedIn profile and private message, LinkedIn groups and LinkedIn company pages using for anyimage.io option. This is called promote your YouTube channel videos.